Fact of the day, B2B e-commerce in the US will reach $3 trillion by 2027, up from $1.7 trillion in 2021. Meanwhile, offline B2B sales will remain flat, according to Forrester. Hi, I'm Jan, CS Cards marketplace expert, and I'd like to discuss today's landscape of B2B e-commerce marketplaces. What a B2B marketplace platform is, why businesses should start their own B2B marketplace while it's not too late, and how to launch one. Hit that like button to satisfy YouTube's algorithms, and let's dive in. So what's B2B commerce? It stands for business-to-business electronic commerce. It's like online shopping but for businesses. In B2B commerce, one business buys products or services from another business over the internet. For example, a restaurant ordering food online from a distributor is B2B commerce. Today, most of these transactions take place on B2B marketplaces. These are online platforms where many businesses come together to buy and sell products or services. Think of it as a big online mall for businesses. These marketplaces make it easier for companies to find what they need and for other companies to sell their products. An example is a website where several vendors offer office supplies to different businesses. Businesses buy and sell products on B2B marketplaces for a reason. They all benefit. Sellers get expanded market reach and reduced marketing costs. Buyers, in addition to usual marketplace benefits such as a wider product range and others, get rid of tons of paperwork and hundreds of phone calls to different suppliers. The buying process on a B2B marketplace platform is completely automated, and it's very attractive for both parties. There are many established B2B marketplaces around the world. You probably heard of Amazon Business and Alibaba. These two, along with eBay, are the leading B2B marketplace platforms in the world, with Amazon at the top, of course. So what do you need to create your own B2B marketplace platform? Let's take a look at the B2B marketplace landscape. If you want to start your own B2B marketplace platform like Amazon Business, it's important to understand how to launch a marketplace platform in general. We've talked a lot about this topic, so be sure to check out our latest video on how to create an e-commerce marketplace. But the thing is, a B2B marketplace differs from a B2C one in a few key ways I want to highlight. First of all, your B2B marketplace platform should have multi-user buyer accounts. Companies usually have procurement managers, accounting managers, supervisors, and all of them need access to the buyer account according to their roles. Messaging and communication is another critical feature of a B2B marketplace platform. Built-in messaging systems allow buyers and sellers to communicate directly. This component can include chat, email, or notification features to facilitate real-time communication. It's important that all business communications are kept in writing to avoid misunderstandings. Another important feature for B2B buyers is a customer tier feature. Companies tend to buy products in bulk, so you should be able to offer them personalized, flexible pricing based on volume and frequency of purchases. Integration capabilities is a must for a B2B marketplace platform. To streamline operations, the platform should be able to integrate with other business systems such as enterprise resource planning software or customer relationship management tools. Another very important feature for a B2B marketplace platform is security and trust measures. Security measures such as data encryption and user authentication are essential to protect sensitive information. It's especially important for businesses because they can literally be destroyed if their sensitive data is compromised. Whether or not you have all these features depends heavily on the B2B marketplace software you choose for your business. There are many out-of-the-box solutions available today, including our own CS Card multi-vendor software. All these features plus 500 other features are available in CS Card by default or with add-ons. It's a professional marketplace software for creating marketplaces of any kind, including B2B marketplace platforms. Sign up for a free online demo, you will get your personal marketplace for 15 days, no credit card required. Link down there. We have about 1,600 marketplaces built with CS Card. About 30% of them are B2B. I just want to show you a few and tell their stories so you can get inspired and start your own B2B venture with more confidence. Shakedeal is a B2B procurement platform for industrial goods and supplies. The marketplace partners with the leading and top brands in various verticals such as power tools, hand tools, safety equipment, test and measurement tools, machinery, building materials, electrical, fasteners, hardware, and others. It has over 1,000 registered sellers and over 4,000 B2B customers. DentaCards is a customized CS Card online B2B marketplace for dental products in Egypt. Their big goal is to give dentists access to only original, innovative dental products because fake dental products have been a big problem in Egypt lately. Hospital Store is a division of Medsun Healthcare Solutions. It's one of the leading medical equipment trading and distribution companies in India. Its customers include doctors, hospitals, and medical professionals. The marketplace supplies all types of medical products for homes, hospitals, retail, and paramedics. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 80% of B2B sales interactions between sellers and buyers will occur in digital channels. And considering that a global B2B e-commerce market is forecast to grow to $7 trillion between 2022 and 2027, B2B e-commerce is a sustainable trend. Companies across industries will need to continue to hone their digital commerce skills to remain competitive, especially with the growing popularity of third-party marketplaces. And while the majority of B2B enterprises are already concentrating on expanding their e-commerce operations, a common challenge they share is a shortage of financial resources. So keep your finger on the pulse of the industry, research the market and the competition, plan your budget carefully, and choose the right marketplace software for your B2B marketplace platform, and you'll be just fine. Alright folks, that's it for today's B2B marketplace landscape. I hope this video was informative and gave you a push to start your own B2B marketplace platform. Don't forget to check CS Heart Multivendor, our marketplace software for creating B2B marketplace platforms. There's a free link in the description. If you have any questions about B2B marketplace platforms, drop us a line at sales@cscard.com. See you next time!